Welcome to Maths with Teacher MJ. In this lesson, we are going to solve this beautiful Olympiad question. Look, the question says if x minus y equals 17 and s square root of x plus s square root of y equals 17, find the value of x plus y. But what should we do to solve this complicated question? Right, it looks complicated, but we are going to use a simple to read to knock down the question. Let's start it. Okay, I want to write with the first part. It says x minus y equals 17. I want to let x equals a square root of x to the power of 2. How about y? And y equals a square root of y squared. Now, it's gonna be a square root of x squared minus a square root of y squared equals 17. But what is this? Now, here we are going to use an algebraic identity that says a squared minus b squared equals what? Right, a minus b times a plus b. Very simple. It is enough we use this algebraic identity. It's gonna be a square root of x minus a square root of y times a square root of x plus a square root of y equals 17. But what's the value of the square root of x plus square root of y? The question says square root of x plus square root of y equals 17. Therefore, it is equal 17. Which number times 17 equals 17? Just one number. Number 1. Right. The value of square root of x minus square root of y is gonna be 1. Let me write it here. Square root of x minus square root of y equals 1. And also the question says square root of x plus square root of y equals 17. To continue the solution, it is enough we add them together. Square root of x plus square root of x equals 2 square root of x. Negative square root of y plus square root of y cancel off. 1 plus 17 equals 18. Now to continue the solution, it is enough we divide both sides by 2. 2 to cancel off. Therefore, square root of x equals 9. When square root of x equals 9, what is the value of x? Right, x equal to 81. This is the value of x. And now it is enough we find the value of y. But how? X minus y equals 17. Let me use this part of the board. X minus y equals 17. X equals 81 minus y equals 17. What is the value of y? Y is gonna be 64. Now we have y 64, x equals 81. What is the value of x plus y? X equals 81. Y equals 64. The answer x plus y gonna be 81 plus 64. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 6 plus 4 equals 14. 145 is our answer. Have fun.